People are enjoying rafting, singing. Yes, going on holidays, spending some time in nature. That's also really good for releasing stress and anxiety. Namaste. Today we are going to practice yoga practice for stress and releasing anxiety about in 15 minutes. You can do any time of the day and it just work very quick. So let's sitting into easy comfortable pose. We are in here in Rishikesh by the Ganga on Neem Beach. It's just blessing. And this is Srimanji in doing the being a model. But he is not stressed though. Okay, let's sitting into easy comfortable pose. Few deeper breathing, eyes closed. Follow my instructions. Keep smiling. When you smile, you release happy hormones. Keep smiling until I tell you let go your smile. Okay? This is the first practice for releasing stress and anxiety. Let's palms in Namaskar Mudra. We're going to chant 3 Om together. Inhale. 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 Let's hands to your knees. Longer breathing into your belly. Exhale. Your belly goes in. Slowly and happy inhale in your belly, in your lungs. Expand your lungs maximum. Exhale, smoother, empty, empty until your balance. Again, happy inhale with big smile. Exhaling. 2 more times like that. Big happy inhale, big belly inhale, big lungs inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Full body inhaling. Just imagination, your whole body inhaling. And exhale. Soft your breathing. And just feel already relaxing. Internal. Beautiful. Already is calming. Now let's do gentle Kapalbhati. Exhaling, exhaling, just to purification and increase circulation. Exhale. If you have moon cycle, bad cold, or headache, please go slowly. Inhale for Kapalbhati. Let's exhale. Keep going. Shoulder relax. Lifting crown. Long arms. Empty, empty. Cleaning up. Moving all stress out, every exhalation stronger. And exhale, let's hold the way, exhale. Hold breath out. Continue smile. This is big mantra. No matter what is happening in the life, continue smile. Just few more seconds holding breath out. Let's happy slowly inhale in your whole body. And top of inhalation, holding breath in. Things always will happen in the life, I am telling you, but your yoga practice is make you strong. No matter what happening in the life, you can manage it. Exhale. Happier inhale in your whole body. Exhale. Now, soft breathing. Soften your neurological system. Let's now slowly come, palms on the ground, come into table, and let's come into the child pose. Vajra Yoga Mudra, knees together or slightly open. Stretch your hands forward or palms underneath of your forehead. Or even you can bring hands back next to your body. Just feel what is right for you. Keep eyes closed, connecting to your breath. We're going to make a 5 honeybee, Brahmari, bumblebee. It is so good for releasing stress and anxiety. Let's inhale, 2 Brahmari together, 3 yourself. Inhale, little stronger this time. 3 Brahmari yourself. Inhale. Soften breathing. Relax your nerves. Release stress. Next, inhale. Let's come into table. Let's do a few rounds. Asana, cat pose to activate your spine. Okay. Let's all together. Next inhale. Raise your head. Lift your chin. Looking up. Tailbone up. This time exhale, let's bring your chin down, touch the chin to the throat, round your back, tuck tailbone in. Again, inhale, raise your head, navel down, tailbone up. Exhale, head down, round your back, tuck tailbone in. Inhaling up, let's do yourself. Exhaling round. Inhaling up, open shoulders, long arms. Exhaling round is just so good for your spine, good for your stress, anxiety. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Let's do one more time. Happy. Inhale, continue smile. I'm keep asking you. Exhaling, round. Hmm? Inhale, look forward. Cross your ankle. Let's sitting into easy, comfortable pose. Breathwork Sukhasana. Sitting, gentle twisting. Okay? Let's inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, twist right. Holding left knee with right, left hand. Right palm on the ground, behind your back. Looking back over right shoulder. Eyes closed. Few deeper breathing. We're going to make here 3 Brahmari. 1 Brahmari together and 2 yourself. Happier inhale. Two Brahmari yourself. Inhale. Keep going. Wonderful. Let's next inhale. Raise your arms up. Same thing from other side. Exhale, twist left side. Holding your left knee with right hand, left palm on the ground. Look back over left shoulder and close your eyes. One Brahmari together to yourself. Little stronger. Inhale. Two Brahmari yourself. Next, inhale, let's raise your arms up. Exhale, let's hands to your knees in Jnana Mudra. We're going to do Shanmukhi Mudra. You close your ear with your thumbs and close eyes with your fingers, and you're going to make a 5 Brahmari honeybee yourself. Okay? Let's close your ear with your thumb, close your eyes, and 5 Brahmari here. Inhale. Just continue to meditate on your third eye. Continue hold beautiful smile, releasing all stress and anxiety. Make your mantra, smiling is your mantra. Remind many times to yourself. Make longer breathing many times whenever you just remember to breathe longer with bigger smile. That is become your mantra. Your meditation practice is so good for stress and anxiety. Your yoga nidra is very good for stress and anxiety. And this practice is so good and so quick. Meditation is so good for you. Continue smile. Or sometimes singing also is really good for releasing stress. Mhm. People are enjoying rafting, singing. Yes, going on holidays, spending some time in nature. That's also really good for releasing stress and anxiety. Let's palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om Trishanti. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. Please, you do this practice very often. Definitely, it's help to releasing stress and anxiety. Your meditation, yoga nidra is so good. If you want more those things, you can go to akhandayogaonline.com. There is so many classes for you. Have a beautiful, happy day. Namaste. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.